So the question is, non-isotropic solid metal cube has coefficient of linear expansion as 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 per degree C along the x-axis, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree C along y-axis, and z-axis. Now, if the coefficient of volumetric expansion of the solid is C into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree C, then what's the value of C? So we know that V equals to x, y, z. So del V by V is del x by x plus del y by y plus del z by z, clearly. Now 1 by t del v by v, we multiply 1 by t on both sides, we get 1 by t del v by v is equals to 1 by t multiplied by this whole equation as this, del x by x, del y by y, and del z by z. So y equals to alpha naught x plus alpha naught y plus alpha z, which is y equals to 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, which is y, and plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree C alpha z. So we compute this at 10 to the power minus 6 is common. We have 50 plus 5, which is 60. So y is clearly 60 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree Coulomb Celsius. Therefore C is 60.